Hello all, I am Rama. In this video, I am going to show you how to get numerical solution to an ordinary differential equation by RK method. So let us first use this method for a first order linear differential equation. Let us consider the equation in the form of dy by dx equal to f of x comma y, which is subjected to the condition which is called initial condition y of x naught equal to y naught. In such a case, we need to find y at some x. This is our aim. Let this x be some xn, so that starts from x naught till xn. We can consider many x values. They can be taken as x1, x2 and so on, xn minus 1, by assuming that they are all equally spaced with some difference h. So, we are just taking all the x values as x0, x1, x2 and so on, xn. Starts from x0 ending at xn. There y is to be determined. They are all equally spaced with some number h. Now, we are going to find y values at x1, x2 and so on, xn. In this method, we use only the information at one and only one previous point. So, this method is said to be a single step method. Compared to Euler method, modified Euler method, this method gives more accuracy in the value of y. Since it uses only one previous point information to get y at successive x, then using the initial condition, we will get y1 at x1, and using y1 x1 we will find y at x2, and this process will be continued till we reach to the point xn, so that y can be determined at xn. This is the process is involved in RK method. Let us see the general formula to find y at all these x values, x1, x2 and so on, xn. This is represented in the form of yn plus 1 equal to yn plus 1 by 6 into k1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 plus k4. Here yn is a known point at the point xn, and using this point we need to get the values k1, k2, k3, k4. This can be obtained from this formula. K1 equal to h into f of xn yn, and k2 equals to h into f of xn plus h by 2, comma yn plus k1 by 2, and k3 equal to h into f of xn plus h by 2, comma yn plus k2 by 2, and k4 equals to h into f of xn plus h, comma yn plus k3. This is the general formula. If we want to get y1, we need to put n equal to 0 on this RHS part, so that n equal to 0 can be used in all these k values. Similarly, if we want to get y2, we will put n equal to 1 on this right hand side part. So, y2 is obtained. Then k values can be obtained from x1, y1. Let us see an example. Given dy by dx equal to 1 plus y square, where y of 0 equal to 0. Then find y of 0.4 using RK method. So, when it is simply mentioned that use RK method, it means that we must use fourth order RK method, fourth order Runge-Kutta method. First, let us take our differential equation and compare this with the form dy by dx equal to f of x comma y, so that f of x comma y equal to 1 plus y square, and this equation is subjected to the condition y of 0 equal to 0. It means that y at x equal to 0 is equal to 0, and we need to take these x and y values as x0, 0, corresponding y is y0, which is also 0. Now we have the information at the point x naught y naught. Now using this information we will find y1 at the point x1, and this will be continued. Let us choose what is this x1, x2, etc. So in this problem, initial point is 0 and ending point is 0.4. It is our wish to choose h values in such a way that x values are equally spaced. In this problem, I am going to take h is equals to 0.2, so that adding h to this initial point, the next value will be 0.2. Again adding h to this, we will get 0.4. So in sequence, we are taking these values as x0 0, x1 0.2, x2 0.4. Now our task is to find y at x1 equal to 0.2 and at x2 that means y of 0.4. If we reach to the last x value, then we don't continue to use RK method, for which let us take general formula. As we want to get y values at the points x1 and x2, that means we require y values at only two x values, for which we will substitute n equal to 0 and 1 in this general formula. Let us see how to get y1. y1 in the sense y value at the point x1 equal to 0.2, for which we just put n equal to 0 in the general equation, where we have taken it as equation 1, so that y1 equal to y0 plus 1 by 6 into k1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 plus k4. Now these k values are to be determined. Then k1 will become h into f of x0 y0. We already have x0 0, y0 0. So this is 0.2 into f of 0 comma 0, which is equals to 0.2 into 1 plus 0 square. Since f of x comma y is equal to 1 plus y square, by calculating this we got the value 0.2. Now k2 is given by h into f of x0 plus h by 2 comma y0 plus k1 by 2. Then x0 0, h is 0.2, so 0.2 by 2 is 0.1, and here 0 plus k1 by 2, 0.2 by 2, it also become 0.1. Now using f of x comma y function, this is going to be 0.2 into 1 plus 0.1 whole square. By simplifying this, we get the value 0.202. Now k3 equal to h into f of x0 plus h by 2 comma y0 plus k by 2. x0 is 0, h is 0.2 by 2, which becomes 0.1, and here 0 plus k2 is 0.202 by 2, it becomes 0.101. By using f of x comma y function, it will be written as 0.2 into 1 plus y square, 0.101 square. By simplifying this, we get the value 0.20204. And then k4 equal to h into f of x0 plus h comma y0 plus k3. This is equals to 0.2 into f of 0 plus 0.2 is 0.2, 0 plus k3, 0 plus 20204. Now using f of x comma y here, it will be written as 0.2 into 1 plus y square, nothing but 1 plus 0.20204 whole square, which is equals to 0.20816. We got all the values of k1, k2, k3, k4. Now we will use them in 2, so that y1 will be equals to y0 is 0 plus 1 by 6 into k1 plus 2 k2 plus 2 k3 plus k4. Using the calculator, we can get this value as 0.2027. y1 in the sense it is a y of x1. Y of x1 is nothing but y of 0.2, which is obtained as 0.2027. Now using x1, y1, we will find y2 at x2, for which we will put n equal to 1 in the general formula, so that y2 equal to y1 plus 1 by 6 into k1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 plus k4. Now we will find all these unknowns k1, k2, k3, k4. k1 from the general formula is written as h into f of x1, y1. x1 is 0.2, y1 is 0.2027. Using f of x comma y function here, we will write 0.2 into 1 plus 0.2027 whole square. By simplifying that, we get 0.2082. In a similar way, k2 is obtained as hf of x1 plus h by 2 comma y1 plus k1 by 2. Using all the known values here and using function value, we get k2 as 0.2188. Then k3 equal to h into f of x1 plus h by 2 comma y1 plus k2 by 2. Now using all the known values and function value, function definition, we are going to write it as 0.2 into 1 plus 0.3121 whole square, which is 0.2195. Now k4 is obtained as h into f of x1 plus h comma y1 plus k3. Using all the known values here, we get k4 as 0.2356. Let us use all k1, k2, k3, k4 values in 3, so that y2 is obtained as 0.4228. So this is the required value of y at x equal to 0.4 by using RK method or RK method of order 4. Without solving the given differential equation, we got the value of y using numerical method, RK method. I hope you understood. Thank you.